Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about inheritance in C++ programming. Inheritance allows one class to derive properties and characteristics from another class. Like in example here, the class B is deriving the property from class A through the use of inheritance. Here the class A is called as base class and the class B is called derived class. So to have the inheritance, first we have created one class A which has its own class member, and then we have created another class B and then colon and then public A. This way we are inheriting the property from class A into class B, and then we can create one object of class B and we can access the members of the class A. So now we're going to talk about the EJ relationship. Inheritance is possible if there exists EJ relationship between two classes. Like in example, car is a vehicle or dog is an animal. Because there is EJ relationship between animal and dog, so we can have one base class as animal and one derived class as dog, and we can acquire the property from the animal class to the dog class. Similarly, also we can have one base class vehicle and we can derive property from the base class into the derived class car, and this is only possible because of the EJ relationship between two classes. So in this example program we have one parent class animal which has the member functions eat and sleep, and both of these member functions print the string eating and sleeping onto the console. Now we're going to create one derived class dog, so we're going to write class dog, and the class will inherit the property from the animal class. So we're going to write public animal, and this way the class dog will inherit property from the animal class. Now inside the main method we can create object of the dog D, and then we can use the object and we can invoke the member function of the parent class. So we can write d.eat and d.sleep. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see eating and sleeping. So this is the way we can inherit the property of the parent class into the child class through the use of inheritance, and then we can use the object of the child class and we can invoke the member function or members of the parent class. So now we're going to talk about the advantages of inheritance. The main advantage of inheritance is code reusability. So through the use of inheritance, members of the parent class can be reused in the child class, and thus there will be no code repetition, so less code required in the program. Like in example here we have one parent class animal which has the member functions eat and sleep, and then we are inheriting the property from the parent class into the child class through the use of inheritance. This way the code written inside the parent class will not be written again into the child class, and we can access those properties directly through the use of inheritance, and this reduces the repetition of the code in the program, and this way we have to write less code in our program. So hope you understand about the concept of inheritance in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.